2045. The completion of Earth's first space elevator network marks humanity's step into true industrial space capability. With launch costs reduced by 99%, lunar development becomes economically viable for the first time. Our initial lunar bases focus on helium-3 extraction and testing automated manufacturing systems. The Moon's low gravity and vacuum environment prove ideal for industrial processes impossible on Earth, sparking rapid expansion. Now, by 2055, lunar manufacturing revolutionizes space industry. Perfect spherical bearings, pure pharmaceuticals, and exotic alloys impossible under Earth's gravity become cornerstone products of the new space economy. The lunar space elevator transforms resource transportation. Raw materials from the Moon and finished products flow continuously between lunar surface and Earth orbit, creating an unprecedented industrial supply chain. 2065. The lunar industrial zone rivals Earth's largest manufacturing centers. With over 70% of global heavy industry relocated to space, Earth's ecosystems begin unprecedented recovery as industrial pollution plummets. The lunar economy enables large-scale space construction. Orbital shipyards produce vessels too massive to launch from Earth, while research stations develop technologies that will push humanity further into the solar system. The Earth-Moon industrial complex becomes humanity's springboard to the solar system. Mars missions depart regularly, while asteroid mining operations extend human presence throughout the inner solar system. By 2080, the Moon hosts a permanent population of hundreds of thousands. What began as an industrial outpost has evolved into humanity's first true space civilization, forever changing our species' relationship with the cosmos.